This video is going to go over how to add different features into the listings on our Shopify. So the first thing you're going to do is go over to where it says products, and then it's going to bring up a list of all the products. You have a search bar here, so you can search for whatever product is in the task description. For this one, we're going to say woke up like this. You're then going to be able to click it. And from this screen, you can do a lot of different things. We can edit pricing if we need to. We can edit quantity available. So if I ask you to change how many are available, you'll just click this little button over here where it says available, and you'll hit the plus or the minus to adjust as needed. And then once you do so, you'll click save. So let's say I wanted you to add one more for a total of 2. You'd click save, and it would show both of them on the side. This is also really important. This box says this product has options like size and color. So for our lingerie, that's going to be the case. This is also going to happen for some of our scrubs and things like that. So you can click on that box and you'll put in whatever the option is. So for example, let's say we want to do size, and I want there to be small, medium, large, 1X, 2X, 2X, and 3X. And then once you have those all in, you'll push the done button. And again, you're going to choose what you want it to be. So for lingerie, it would be size. For some of our scrubs, you might type in the word scent, but I'll have that listed in the description. And then you're going to push done. It's then going to bring you down to where you see this variant screen, and this is where you're going to be able to put in the quantity for each size. So you can adjust up or down to save it. And then whenever you're finished, you always want to make sure you come up top to where it says save. You can always also edit the product description, which I'm going to do here as well. So you can edit the product name, the product description, whatever you need to do, all from this screen.